1.
Hi, this is the Maggie and Nicole show. Nicole is actually not in person right now, but she's doing the intro to Maggie's birth. Earlier we posted the link to the Top.0 Twitter so that we could be on next week's episode. Here's Maggie birthing.